Hi everyone, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with an unboxing video of a new Dash 9. After looking at the poll that you all recently took, I found a Heritage 1 Dash 9 in N scale. It is Bnsf number 1005, made by Kato. And we're going to take this baby out of the box. And it does have microtrains parts on it, so I'm not the first person to own this, but take the cover off the fuel tank. And it does have extra detail and parts in the box. And it is beautiful. In the crisp Heritage 1 logo. And it also has the ditch lights on the front. And the microtrains parts are on the locomotive, which makes it a little bit better. The Kato couplers are good, but the microtrains couplers actually bite a little bit better. I've always loved this scheme on the Dash 9. I asked a few of my friends which scheme looks better on a Bnsf Dash 9. All of them said Heritage 1, no question. The paint scheme was inspired by the Great Northern. The green and the orange are exactly what Great Northern had, and as you can see, the Herald on the front of the Dash 9 was actually inspired by the Santa Fe. The old Santa Fe logo was the plus that said Santa Fe. They put Burlington Northern on the circle part of the Herald. And obviously Heritage 2 came out in the late 90s, early 2000s, and the cigar band that you see on the front was actually inspired also by the Santa Fe from the red and silver war bonnet. And in 1997, as everyone knows, that is actually when Bnsf actually purchased their first order of engines. The railroads merged on September 22nd, 1995, BN and Santa Fe. That was the corporate side of things, but the railroads did not merge until 1997. But H1 was introduced in the early years of Bnsf, and I've always liked this paint scheme. So the detailing is great. Even the top of the engine looks good. It looks like a Kato should, and I cannot wait to run this on my radio. I have a Scale Trains Dash 9. Now I have a Kato Dash 9 that I would like to pair with my Ace, with my Norfolk Southern Ace, to have a Halloween contest, because it's orange and the green and the black and white on the thoroughbred. So I have looked at this engine very carefully. The wheels are great. It just needs probably a little touch of oil. I'm looking at the wheels again. The wheels actually look a little dirty, but they could use a little bit of cleaning. And give it a little bit of oil, and it should be good to go. So that's the newest piece to my layout, and I hope you all enjoyed this little unboxing video. And while I am talking about it, just as a reminder, my train club that I'm a part of has started a YouTube channel. It's Heritage Village Trains. Please subscribe to that channel if you have not already. That channel has actually 27 subscribers as of today, as a matter of fact. I will be leaving a link in the description where you can click on that and hit the subscribe button for that channel. Tap the bell for that channel where you get the latest updates from that side. And always remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please remember to hit the like button, drop a comment down below, and please hit the subscribe button and tap that bell. Both channels will be very busy, so please look out for our newest releases. I have a couple of releases on Heritage Village Trains that will be coming out this week, and I'll also have some other stuff coming out in about the next few days on my end. So hope to see you all there on both channels, and with that, I'd like to thank you all so much for watching, and may God bless. Thanks, guys, and hope to see you soon.